guys, Meadow here. I'm back with another video. So, you know my video on the loudest sneeze ever? Yeah. Some of you commented that was cringy. Well, to make it up to you guys, I am going to do another one, but correctly this time. Oh, I gotta go in a dusty place. Achoo.